playing, it's relating, body's initiating. Ooh. Falling and falling slow, 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 falling and falling slow.
Hey y'all, so I'm just going to give you a quick little 1-2 on the items that you'll need to complete your aloe vera spray. The first thing you're going to need, of course, is the aloe vera plant that you can get from Walmart out of the produce section. Number 2, you'll need some type of oil. The oil that I am using is the Jamaican mango and lime hemp oil infused with black seed oil. And you're going to need some water, a strainer, and a measuring cup. The strainer and the measuring cup I got from Dollar Tree, so that's really, really cheap. And I use the measuring cup because it's so easy to pour into such a small bottle. Oh yeah, get you a bottle from your local beauty supply store, the little spray bottle, you know what I'm talking about. So just keep watching. Okay y'all, so first I'm going to show you how I cut up my aloe vera plant. The main thing is to cut off you some chunks. You're gonna need chunks of it. So right now, I hate that you can't see too well, but I'm just cutting off the sides of it, the little spiny sides, and cutting off the skin as well. So there you are. I'm gonna show you 2 methods to getting the aloe vera, the gel part, actually out of the plant. That part. The first method I'm showing you right now is using a knife. So as you can see, like I was saying, cutting it in some big chunks. And let's see, I have 2 plants out because one of them was really small that I used for something else, and I had some left. So as you can see, I'm cutting off those sides. Make sure you be careful with the sides because they're very prickly. And also be careful with the knife because the aloe vera is so slippery. So just keep watching.
I've learned time shows what's hidden in the spaces. Minds change when lines are crossed and trust is taken. I'm not bending anymore. Don't mistake my kindness for weakness. Wasn't given any worth. You expected hours to keep it. You're gonna see me in a different kind of light. I'm gonna.
Now I'm about to show you how I scooped it out using the spoon. This is the safest method to use. It's a little bit more messier than using a knife, but like I said, it is way more safer. So I just use a tablespoon. It doesn't really matter what size spoon you use. So with this method, you can either cut the chunk in half, or either you can just cut the skin off one side and then scoop it. So most of the time I just cut the one side of skin off and then I scoop it. Just keep watching and I'll explain some more later on in the video.
Okay. Yeah. Alright. A sunny day. A sunshine. Yeah. All I see are bright skies, walking on sunshine. All my troubles melt away. Yeah. It's perfect weather, it can't get better. It's just another sunny day. Rolling with the top down, screaming out, cruising down the 101. Everybody knows it's time to let go and have fun in the sun. Yeah, all I see are blue skies. This feeling just feels so right. All I got are good vibes. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. Yeah, I just keep on smiling. Everything is looking fine. It's more than just a feeling. I got a sunshine state of mind. Sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. I'm in a sunshine state of mind. Sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. Sunshine, sunshine. I got a sunshine state of mind. Ventura Boulevard, sipping in the backyard. Corona with some lime. Good vibes flowing, the sun is glowing. It feels like summertime. Skating down the boardwalk, bikinis on lock. You can't get better than this. The sun is set.
Okay, now you can see I'm about to add some water after I put it in a blender. When adding your water, do not put too much in there. Do not fully cover the aloe vera. Just put it like right under the lime where it stops, basically. So most of it is going to be covered, but the very top, no. So never add too much water to it. And make sure you plug up your blender. I almost forgot. There we go. So just let that blend. Let it blend until you don't see any more chunks. But you don't have to make it perfect because you do have a strainer.
Yeah, hey, you can open up to me, show me what's inside. Mother Nature made us to intertwine. Lavender elixir so full of pheromones. Give me one taste and you're gone. What if I can't get you out of my thoughts? What if my seasons don't change? What if you forget to forget me not and we fade away? You're my little flower, blooming in the night, only for an hour. The northern lights, my Casablanca sweetheart, nectar so divine. Baby, you're the best part.
So now I'm about to put it in the bottle and add my oil in as well. This is the oil I'll be using, the Jamaican mango and lime hemp oil infused with black seed oil that I used in another video. I'm going to use a measuring spoon, and this is only 1 teaspoon. So be careful when pouring it in. That's why I got the measuring cup, because as you can see, it's so much easier to pour it in. And the amount that I have was going to pretty much fill up this entire bottle.